What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arkway, a new direction of the modern man. And today's video, I'm sharing with you guys the reasons why and how I apply avocado oil into my beard. So this video is for the young gentleman that wants to improve his beard growth, but also improve the overall health of his beard. So this video is for you. Let's get right involved. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arkway. If you guys are new to this channel, first and foremost, subscribe down to the section down below where you guys get the latest content and also check out the IG. Now, as we get to the benefits of coconut oil, I'm going to show you guys the reasons why you guys should apply it into your beard. So I did post a video back in the past about applying avocado oil as a conditioning. So if you guys want to see the video, it should be right up there. So number one of the biggest benefits is it's an antioxidant. So antioxidant is going to actually help you prevent from infections and buildups. So one of the biggest benefits of avocado oil is that it's an antioxidant. So antioxidant is going to actually help you from preventing infections and also bacterial buildup. So applying those into your beard care is actually going to be very, very key, and it's something you guys should induce into your own routine. Number two, it has essential minerals. Having essential minerals, having a natural sense of organic materials in this property of avocado oil is actually very key. Anything that grows from the ground is actually going to be beneficial for you for your long-term health and also your body care. Number three, it has fatty acids. I'm not talking about the saturated fatty acids that come from McDonald's. I'm talking about the essential fatty acids. So you can find essential fatty acids within like nuts and berries. You can get it from like fruits. So these things are actually going to help you improve the hair follicles and improve the hair overall growth of it too. So essential oils have the natural properties that actually going to help you improve your long-term health, improve the hair follicle performance, help you with less of the breakage, and just help you with like softening your beard. So there's so many benefits within the avocado, not only for your skin but also for your whole body. Number four, it contains biotin. Biotin is very, very essential when it comes down to improving your beard, improving your hair growth. So there was items I used in the past before I got into biotin was minoxidil, but that was a pharmacy made. That was actually a man-made product, and that wasn't a product that I would actually ever put on my face again. So applying something with natural properties like biotin, go to your pharmacy store, go to your health food store, pick up a jar of biotin. They come in little capsules, but biotin will actually help you, and it has properties to help you improve your hair growth and the reproduction of it. Last but not least, avocado oil has the benefits that you need within vitamins. So it has vitamin A, it has vitamin B5, it has vitamin E induced in it. So those properties, those natural properties of those vitamins, is actually be very beneficial for yourself and for the long-term longevity. So now, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I apply it into my beard. So right here I have a jar of avocado oil right here. So this is actually avocado infused with coconut oil. If you guys want to see the coconut oil benefits and how I apply it, you guys can check out that video right here. So this right here is the natural coconut oil avocado mix. So this is the avocado essentially. This is what this is. And one of the biggest things when it comes down to purchasing one of these, one thing you want to look for within purchasing anything that is natural based, you want to go to the ingredient section and make sure that it has what you need. So we're looking for avocado oil. Right here it says avocado oil. So avocado and coconut oil. So now we know we're in the right hands. Massaging it into your beard, so that way it can actually have a deep down conditioning of your beard, so it moisturizes your skin but also your hair follicles. So that, most importantly, after that, pick it out with my hair pick, and after that I actually kind of style it with my hand, and after that is pretty much how I complete my process. So there yet again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching Arkway, a new direction of a modern man. We just completed the process right here. So if you guys are new to this content, or if you guys are returning members, also describe in the section down below. Check out Arkway on the IG page so you guys can get more information on what I post daily. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.